I've been asked on numerous occasions, why no Bitcoin? And I've got a good reason for it. I've got plenty of good reasons for it. And one of my main reasons is I just do not believe in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin as it stands at the moment. In my opinion, it's a big Ponzi scheme, it's fresh air, it's worthless, and it's dangerous. And you'll say to me, but you've made so much money out of it, and you've done so well. Well, I'll say to you, a lot of people made a lot of money out of Enron in the past, with Bernie Madoff, not to mention the Elizabeth Holmes saga, investments there, and many others. So, when it comes down to it, Bitcoin at the end of the day, for me, is a bit of a scam. I don't trust it, I don't believe in it. But you can invest in it short term, and I will analyze it today, and I will have a look at it. And we will have a look at the charts, because if you're trading it on the open markets, you can do that. That said, the leverage is very, very high on this product, and it is very, very dangerous for a trader. Hey, it's Rob Guilty, it's logical trading. Don't forget, trading is risky. 80% of traders do lose money, and you probably will too, so if you don't like losing money, don't trade. That's it. Look, Bitcoin for me, at the end of the day, my problem with this product, as I said in the beginning, is you may find that one day you'll wake up and it'll be gone, and the guy running it, if they can find him, like Bernie Madoff, is off to jail. But I can't find any value in this product. It's not based on anything, any solid foundation. It's got no asset value as far as I can see. People call it blockchain, and they try and explain that how can you own the internet? I mean, who owns the internet at the end of the day? Nothing makes sense to me at Bitcoin. Maybe I don't know enough about it. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about, and I'm really stupid. And for all of you guys that have made loads of money out of it, well done. There were many people that made loads of money out of Enron, and then woke up one morning, and guess what? Yeah, you don't have to guess much. And it doesn't matter whether you're long or short, by the way. Either way, it's gone. Anyway, great stuff. If you're doing well, that's wonderful. I see it has gone back up again. It's back up at the 42,000. And when I look at this, there's definitely a resistance up at the 48,000. And I'm seeing a support down, way down at around the 38,000 level. So if she does drop, she's going to drop quite far. And that's probably another reason I don't trade this thing, because it never knows where it wants to go or where it wants to be. It's extremely volatile. It's a very volatile product. But yeah, if you're interested in trading the product on a very short term, if you're a day trader and you're trading on the 1 hour, maybe down to the 5 minutes, go for it. And if you've got the leverage to cover it, go for it. Just watch your leverage on it. Then you can have some fun. But if you're a swing trader and you're looking at keeping it overnight or for days and things like that, over weekends, I won't do that. I won't trust it, because it is, after all, a cryptocurrency. It's a Bitcoin, and these things are deadly. One day, the governments of the world will adopt cryptocurrency. They'll adopt it into their system. We'll have artificial intelligence. We'll have all our money will be digital, and that will all make sense. And then your cryptocurrency will basically be like the US dollar or euro or whatever the case, and it'll just all be digital currency. But at least it'll be tied to some kind of economy, some kind of reserve bank, some kind of monetary system, where you can actually see where the money is and what its value is. Bitcoin value is it's kind of based on a buyer and a seller. If someone's willing to pay that for it, then that's what it's worth, and that's kind of like a bit strange. It's It's not even like gold, because gold you can actually pick up, you can hold, it's an asset. I don't know, Bitcoin, you can't pick it up and hold it. It doesn't exist. It's a very strange thing. Guys, our trade today, we're looking for the indexes to correct, and they're just not correcting at the moment. So, yeah, well, we're patient. We'll wait. Euro, Great British Pound is a great short at the moment. We're waiting for a little bit of a nice bar to show us that it's turning. It's right on the point. I have to say that I was looking to short it at 86.2, but I was going to put my stop loss at 86.5, and I'm thinking maybe I should wait until it gets to about 86.3, 86.4. But I'll see how the bars turn. If it goes that way, we'll take a short on the Euro, Great British Pound. Don't forget, it's risky. It's your choice. Yeah. Long trade on the US dollar, Canadian dollar is looking like a possibility. It is a bit volatile at the moment. Everything is a bit volatile at the moment. So, yeah, with all the data this week, it's going to calm down now. Look, on Friday, I'm expecting the money flows to cause a bit of a correction, and that's where you're going to get the nice trades into the index. The US Canadian dollar should turn around and go the other way, should go up. And I'm expecting the Euro, Great British Pound to come down. Anyway, that was my little rant on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not my favorite product, as you know. And yeah, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow. And yeah, if you've got any comments, leave them down below. I'm more than happy to check them out. I mean, some of you will have bad comments, some of you will have good comments, but I got asked why no Bitcoin, and well, there's my answer. That's why I don't do Bitcoin. I don't bother with it. It's not important to me, and I'd rather stay as far away from it as possible. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I wasn't too boring for you. Till next time, it's Rob Guilty. Bye.